Hello friends. So before showing the functionality of this project, I am going to explain that if you want to learn this project, like if you are student and if you want to learn that how you can make this type of project, then open YouTube. Here you can find PHP food ordering system. Here you can see this is the full tutorial added by me. So you can easily learn that how you can make this type of system. And already I added the link of this tutorial in video description. And also if you want to buy this project, then also you can take a look of description. I already added link of purchase this project in video description also. So I'm going to show you how many functionalities available in this project. So first of all, I am going to open admin panel, username admin and password is also admin. So we have this menu on admin side. So first of all, we are going to add one category, MYSQLI, submit. So this category is added. Now you want to edit this category or delete this category, then you can do it from here. Now here you can add the ingredients. Now I am going to add one ingredients like salt, submit. Now if you want to edit and delete these ingredients, then you can. Now here I am going to add food. Here you can set the size of image. Now I am going to copy the food name. We have to select the category. You can write the description over here. Original price, then discount price. So the main price is 10, then we are going to sell as a 5. Food availability, yes or no, it is available or not. Here veg, non-veg, you have to select. Then here you can select the ingredients and submit. So food is added. Now if you want to edit the food, then click on display food and from here you can edit this food. Or if you want to delete, then you can delete that food. Then now let me go on user side. User. Now here you can see the MYSQLI category we added, that we can see over here. In all, we can see all the categories food, and these all are categories added by admin. Here I am going to do view more. Yeah, here we are getting all the details. Now it to cart. Here we have cart. Now you can give the order using cash on delivery or PayPal. I am going to proceed to check out. If you are not registered user, then click here to register, and you can register from there. You have to fill this form, but I have already registered. So and now update. So my order is generated. Now I am going to create one more order using PayPal. Add to cart. Then here we have to select the PayPal. We have to log in. So I am going to log in. Then we have to click on update. We have to click with credentials, login, and complete purchase and return to merchant. So our order is generated. Now when you log in, you can see all your given order. Here I created all the orders. This is our last two orders. One is COD, means cash on delivery, and one is PayPal. When you click on it, you can see the full details. Now here we have this functionality also, like user can subscribe to you. Like I am going to subscribe you, and some user is prompted to you and fill this form. Then this all detail you can see on admin side. Let me show you. So here you can see all registered user who is registered. That detail you can see over here. This is the contact us form. If someone is filled this form, contact us form, then you can see that detail over here. This is the subscribe user. We recently subscribed with this email and all the orders. You can see this all the order, and you can see the order detail. You can change the order status from here, like active, in progress, completed. If you update anything, then that user can see on their order detail. So what is the status of this order? So this type of functionality is available in project. It means we covered everything. Here also you can see all the details of order, everything. Yeah, thanks.